Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to fix your slime. So I have my slime here that's very hard a little bit. So then you get some very hot water and then you dip it if it's kind of hard, but if it's really hard, like rock hard, you just put it in there probably a day or 1 hour. So yeah, this is how you fix it. I'll just go put it there. I'm gonna dip and then play, and now it's more stretchier. Yeah. Me see you next time. Wow 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 wow.